Ecosystems are very complex. So to understand ecosystems, we need to understand each of the different parts of an ecosystem. That means if we're going to study an ecosystem, we need an ecosystem of scientists to study it. And for aquatic ecosystems, we have such a system. My name is Nejstgaard. I am leading the European network called AQUACOSM-plus. That is a network of experimental facilities from rivers to lakes to estuaries and ocean. We unite scientists and facilities from all over Europe, and we invite scientists, students and others from all over the world to take part in this. What is a mesocosm? If you are in a lab, you have a very controlled environment, you will understand how this system works, but they are very small and they are not natural. So if you instead go to nature, you will have a real system, but that's very complex and you can't tell how systems actually function. So what we do with mesocosms is something in between. We have an experimental system that is well controlled, but it is also on the same scale as the ecosystem works in nature. Of course, the aquatic systems are not isolated. We also need to understand how does the forest, the agriculture, the cities around function. So one new thing we are doing is to combine our facilities with others and trying to work together to understand the whole system. AQUACOSM also developed new approaches to old questions. In order to understand how complex ecosystem works, we need methods to understand how organisms are actually functioning in their real environment. This has not been possible before. One of the reasons has been that it's an enormous amount of organisms interacting on very, very small scales over very large areas. And to have a chance to work with that, we need modern type of technology such as imaging, artificial intelligence, and today with the exploding possibilities, we are finally able to do that. We are really taking the advantage of now and developing systems to see who is doing what to whom, where, at what time. And this is the key to understand the ecosystems, we believe. Please join us in this network. We want you, young scientists, senior scientists, decision makers, developers, join us to understand our world better, our ecosystems. And we pay you to join us. We pay your travel, we pay your subsistence, we pay your food. But most of all, what you get is a fantastic network of colleagues, friends that you can build your future network on. As a young scientist, there is, I don't know, any better method to really kickstart your career. And sometimes you get friends for life as an extra.